Today, we're diving into one of the most misunderstood but powerful financial tools, credit. Most people fear or ignore credit, missing out on huge opportunities. The wealthy and big corporations use credit, leverage, to build empires, buy real estate, and invest. Your credit score is your financial report card, unlocking lower rates and better deals. We'll break down the smartest strategies to turn credit from a liability into your greatest asset. Let's get started. Your credit score is a 3-digit number, usually from 300 to 850, that tells lenders how trustworthy you are. It's a crucial part of your financial health. Lenders use this score to decide whether to give you a loan, a credit card, or even approve you for a mortgage. A higher score means you're seen as less risky, which can lead to better interest rates and terms. It's calculated by Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, based on your credit report, your financial resume. The 5 key factors: payment history, 35%, credit utilization, 30%, length of credit history, 15%, credit mix, 10%, and new credit inquiries, 10%. Payment history is the most important factor, making up 35% of your score. This includes whether you've paid past credit accounts on time. Credit utilization, which is 30%, looks at how much of your available credit you're using. Length of credit history accounts for 15% and considers how long your credit accounts have been established. A longer history can improve your score. Credit mix, at 10%, looks at the variety of credit accounts you have, such as credit cards, mortgages, and car loans. New credit inquiries, also 10%, reflect how many new accounts you've opened recently. Too many inquiries in a short period can lower your score. Focus on these areas to boost your score. Start by getting your free credit reports from annualcreditreport.com. You're entitled to 1 free report from each bureau every year. Review every detail. Errors are common and can cost you big points. Look for incorrect personal information, accounts that aren't yours, and any late payments that you know you made on time. Dispute any mistakes you find. This is the fastest way to improve your score. Contact the credit bureau and the organization that provided the information to correct errors. Many banks and credit cards now show your score for free. Use these tools. Regularly monitoring your score can help you catch issues early. Don't just look at the number, understand what's affecting it. Knowing the factors that influence your score can help you make better financial decisions. Identify weak spots like high balances or old late payments. These areas can significantly impact your score, so addressing them should be a priority. This knowledge is your starting line for building wealth with credit. A good credit score can open doors to financial opportunities and savings. Take control, know your score, know your report, and know what to fix. Being proactive about your credit can lead to a more secure financial future. Now let's move to the most important factor: paying on time. Consistently making on-time payments is the best way to build and maintain a strong credit score. Payment history is the heavyweight, 35% of your score. Even one late payment can drop your score by 100 points and haunt you for 7 years. The solution? Automate every bill: credit cards, loans, utilities. At minimum, set auto-pay for the minimum due to avoid late marks. Always try to pay the full statement balance before the due date. This isn't just about your score, it's about building financial discipline. No hack can fix a bad payment history. Make on-time payments a non-negotiable habit. Set reminders, use auto-pay, and never miss a due date. This single habit saves you thousands in interest and opens doors to better financial products. Commit today, never be late again. Master this and you're already ahead of most people. Next, let's use credit cards to your advantage. Credit cards aren't free money, they're powerful financial tools, and when used with intention, they can actually help you build wealth and unlock opportunities that cash alone can't provide. But the key is to use them wisely, not impulsively. Choose rewards cards for your everyday spending. Whether it's cash back, points, or miles, these perks can add up quickly. Every time you buy groceries, fill up your gas tank, or pay for dinner, you could be earning something back. Take it a step further by stacking cards for different categories. Use one card for groceries, another for dining, and a third for everything else. This way, you maximize the rewards for each type of purchase, instead of settling for a flat rate. With a little organization, this strategy can earn you hundreds, or even thousands of dollars a year, just for being intentional with your spending. It's like getting paid to buy the things you already need. But here's the golden rule: always pay your statement balance in full every month. Never carry a balance from month to month, no matter how tempting it might be to pay just the minimum. Credit card interest rates are sky high, often 20% or more. If you carry debt, those rewards you earned are instantly wiped out, and you end up paying far more in interest than you ever get back in perks. If you need to make a big purchase or pay off high-interest debt, look for 0% intro APR offers. These can give you a window of time to pay off your balance without interest, but you must have a clear plan to pay it off before the promotional period ends. To avoid missing payments or getting hit with interest, set up automatic payments to clear your full balance each month. This simple step protects your credit score and keeps your finances on track. When you're disciplined and organized, credit cards can become a true wealth-building machine. They offer flexibility, security, and the chance to earn rewards on money you'd spend anyway. Don't forget about sign-up bonuses. These can be worth hundreds of dollars just for meeting a minimum spend. Earn rewards, collect bonuses, and essentially use the bank's money for free as long as you pay it back on time. But remember, the moment you let the bank charge you interest, you're giving away your hard-earned money. Don't let the bank win. Stay in control. The secret is organization and discipline. Track your spending, know your due dates, and always have a plan for your payments. Flip the script. Make the banks pay you, not the other way around. With the right habits, you can turn credit cards into a source of extra income. And here's another pro tip. Keep your credit utilization low. This means using only a small portion of your available credit, which can boost your credit score and open up even more financial opportunities. By managing your cards strategically, you'll see your credit score rise, and that's where you'll start to see quick, tangible gains in your financial life. Credit utilization, how much of your available credit you're using, makes up 30% of your score. Keep it under 30%, but for top scores, aim for under 10%. Pay down balances before your statement closes to lower reported utilization. Make multiple payments each month to keep balances low. Ask for credit limit increases to instantly lower your utilization ratio. Don't use higher limits as an excuse to spend more. Utilization is recalculated monthly, so improvements show up fast. This is the quickest way to boost your score. Managing utilization shows lenders you're financially healthy. It's not just a game, it's proof you're in control. Keep balances low, and you'll unlock the best financial products. Next, let's look at your credit mix. Credit mix is 10% of your score, having both revolving credit, like cards, and installment loans, like car or student loans. Lenders want to see you can handle different types of debt. Don't take on loans you don't need just for your credit mix. Build it naturally as life requires, car loan, mortgage, etc. For beginners, a few credit cards are fine. As you grow, your mix will diversify. Focus on paying on time and keeping utilization low. Credit mix will follow. It's a long-term play, not a quick fix. Now let's see how good credit pays off. Here's the payoff. Great credit unlocks cheaper loans and massive savings. Think of your credit score as a golden ticket, opening doors to financial opportunities that can change your life. When you have excellent credit, lenders see you as a low-risk borrower, which means they're willing to offer you the best deals available. This isn't just about saving a few dollars here and there, it's about transforming your entire financial future. On a $400,000 mortgage, a 1% lower rate can save you nearly $100,000 over 30 years. That's not just pocket change, it's a life-changing amount that could fund your child's education, boost your retirement, or help you start a business. The difference between a good and great credit score can literally mean tens of thousands of dollars back in your pocket. That's money you can invest and grow. Imagine putting those savings into the stock market, a high-yield savings account, or even real estate. Over time, your money works for you, compounding and building wealth for your future. Good credit means lower rates on car loans, personal loans, and even insurance. Lenders and insurers reward responsible borrowers with better terms, so you pay less for the same products and services. This advantage adds up across every area of your financial life. It gives you negotiating power. Dealers and lenders want your business. With a strong credit score, you can confidently shop around, compare offers, and negotiate for the best possible rates and terms, knowing you have the upper hand. You'll qualify for premium credit cards, business funding, and home equity lines. These financial tools often come with valuable perks, like cashback, travel rewards, and lower fees, that can further boost your financial position. Even landlords and utility companies check your credit. A strong score can make the difference between getting approved for your dream apartment or being passed over, and it can even affect the deposits you pay for utilities. A strong score means lower deposits and better rental options. You'll have more choices, less hassle, and keep more cash in your pocket when moving or setting up new services. Building credit isn't just defense, it's offense for wealth building. It's about taking control of your financial journey, setting yourself up for success, and opening doors to opportunities you might not have imagined. Save on big expenses, invest the difference, and accelerate your financial growth. Every dollar you save on interest is a dollar you can put toward your goals, dreams, and future security. Excellent credit is a skill that pays for life. It's not just a number, it's a tool you can use again and again to improve your life, seize new opportunities, and build lasting wealth. Use it to seize opportunities and build wealth. Whether you're buying a home, starting a business, or investing for the future, your credit score is a powerful ally. Now let's protect what you've built. Safeguarding your credit is just as important as building it, so you can continue to enjoy these benefits for years to come. Monitoring is your final step. Stay vigilant, keep your credit healthy, and you'll be ready to take advantage of every opportunity that comes your way. You've built great credit. Now protect it. Check your credit reports for errors at least once a year. Use free credit monitoring from your bank or card issuer. Check monthly. Set up alerts for new accounts or big changes. Consider a credit freeze for extra security. Easy to set up, hard for thieves to bypass. Use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Regular monitoring catches problems early, before they become disasters. Think of this as maintenance for your financial engine. Don't let errors or identity theft undo your hard work. Stay vigilant, and your credit will keep working for you. You're the guardian of your financial reputation. Now, let's wrap up your journey. That's your playbook for turning credit into a wealth-building tool. Start today. Set up autopay, check your report, or pay down a balance. Small, consistent actions lead to big results. Credit mastery isn't just for the wealthy, it's for everyone. Take control, open new opportunities, and accelerate your path to financial freedom. Share your credit strategy in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more wealth-building tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.